bird on a tree. I'm just sitting here. I got time. It's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We're meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
গার্মেন্টের নাম কি? গার্মেন্ট বাইকে ভ্রমণ। পাহাড়টাকে পেছনে রেখে একটা ছবি তুলতে হবে।
Take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell. You and me meant to be in the great outdoors.
Hi friends, once again welcome to my channel. I am your host Dev Ore. You are watching my channel. Ami Bhavo Ghure. Along with me Naruda. We are just trekking to Panbadi hilltop. Here we have started from Rai Matang. Just we have started from our home 10 a.m. this morning, and along with our bike we have reached here at Raja Bhatkawa Forest Range Office, and thereafter our host Pasa Dorji Dukpa guided us to going their village. Stay with me, I will show you then what's happened in that village. You may know who they are, my regular viewer. This is my second time here. I have first time came here on January 25th this year, and I got love affected with this village and the people and their hospitality. So their love just attract me to come here again along with my one friend. That is, I have introduced you, Naruda. Just, and I have told him about this village and the people and their hospitality. I have got it here on last my visit, and so he also decided to come with me, and last time it was a great experience in a new place, new people, totally unknown people and their cultures. All the Drukpa peoples are living here. There are at around 50 in this particular village, the Panbadi, at around 50 houses and 150 people are living here. In spite of this, there is no drinking water facility, there is no hospitals, there is no primary school, there is no electricity. Lots of noise here, lots of negative, but one thing, the great positive thing, that is their lifestyle to tolerate all the opposite things of our social city life. Still their smiling face and the welcoming nature. The Drukpa people living here, they have celebrated their yearly festival on January, at around 25th January, 20 to 25th January, that is called Losar festival. Actually the Drukpa peoples are by belief they are Buddhist, so that is their New Year celebrating festival. All the Buddhist people living throughout the world, you can see the Losar festival. Actually who they are most familiar with the Tibetan Buddhist culture, they are celebrating the Losar festival. 3-day festival is celebrated here. You can see the teeny houses there. I don't know whether you can get it with my teeny lens, but I am still getting the teeny houses there. The next hilltop, that is the Panbadi, just one hilltop behind this hill. We will just about to reach there. It is evening at around 3 p.m. Actually what is happened here is you can experience the scarcity of light. Actually the sun sets here at western side, so it is the forest in that way. So here the evening comes fast here, and after an hour it will be dark, getting dark here, and you can just getting the cricket sound, the tranquility and the sound. You get more ambience, beautiful.
वो आज तो यो साल में जो अभी बारिश का दिन आए ना, बारिश का आएगा जो 25 दिसंबर तो जो के जो बाहर बसने भी और रात भर वो नाचेगा सब देख लगा रात भर बप्पू लगा के नाच देख रहे हैं लोग दिन जाएगा।
दूसरा गांव से भी आता है ना?
80-90 आदमी लोग जमा होता है डांस करने के लिए। तो स्कूल की छुट्टी आए ना, उसी समय में स्कूल बच्चा भी आया। बोलने का लिए तकलीफ नहीं है, हिंदी इंग्लिश बोलने, आप लोग इंग्लिश बोलने से भी इंग्लिश परफेक्ट बोलेगा। हमारा छोटे लड़की देख रहा है ना सर,
छोटा लड़की को शायद देखा है उस बार। हाँ, उस बार जो जनवरी महीने में आया था, देखा है।
देख रहा है जैसे लग रहा है। बड़ा तो नहीं था, बड़ा तो 4 वर्ष हो गए।
सिक्किम में ही है वो? कहाँ, कौन सा स्कूल में है?
रूमटेक स्कूल में है सर।
रूमटेक, तो कौन क्लास में?
हॉस्टल है वहाँ पे,
हॉस्टल है,
हॉस्टल पे रहता है।
और हमारे गाँव बहुत तक है सर।
As you can see, there is the hilltop, so there is no arrangement of deep well. So they are used to harvesting the rainwater. This is, you can see the rainwater harvesting here, and it will be utilized there daily bathing or and bathing and washing purpose.
मुर्गी
মানে ঢুকে যায় ওখানে
ओ
নিজে নিজে ঢুকে যাবে
হ্যাঁ খুদ ঘুষ যেতা है
एक बार देखना पड़ेगा वो लोग चला जाएगा अरे सर
রাস্তাটা আরেকটু যদি একটু ভালো হয় রাস্তাটা
वो जो रास्ता तो जो बाइक जैसे आने सब जगह बहुत भालो है कि नहीं
हाँ।
आने जाना भी
हाँ बाइक एटलीस्ट आ सकता है
নেই দরকার নাই বাইকও দরকার নাই অ্যাটলিস্ট হাঁটা বলতে
টিনের ঘর ছাড়া বর্ষার মজা নাই টিনের ঘরে ঝমঝম থ্যাংক ইউ
ब्रो यार
এটা কি এখানকার তৈরি
হ্যাঁ
ये चीज है
বলতেছি
ওটাও চাল দিয়ে ডাল ভাজা
दिस इज कॉल्ड बाछंग बाछंग बोलते हैं ना यस बाछंग मतलब इट इज डिराइव्ड फ्रॉम millet one kind of grains that is one kind of just brown colored grain. This is first time it will be boiled, thereafter it will be set aside for a 3 to 4 months with some local herbs or ingredients which is act like a fermenting agent, and the carbohydrate contents it will after boiling the grain that is millet, the sugar released from the millet, and that sugar along with that fermenting agent it is become the alcohol.
বাজরাটা কি বাদামি রঙের হয় মানে
বাদামি
হ্যাঁ
ছোট ছোট গোল একদম
হ্যাঁ কাউন্টটা হয় হলুদ
কাউন্ট আছে এখন তো কাউন্ট দেখাই যায় না, আগে এই সময় বর্ষার সময় কাউন্ট
তাহলে এখন বাজরার এখনো গাছ হচ্ছে
अभी 2 महीना में काटेगा
চিয়ার্স